Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the globe. This prevents short circuits and preserves firmware. Once done, remove external screws visible on the base with a small Phillips, keeping track of their locations. Use a soft cloth under the unit to avoid scratches while prying. Next, gently use a plastic spudger to separate clipped seams. Do this slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Make sure to document each step with a phone photo, so reassembly is straightforward and reversible. Once the housing is open, locate the QR code, often on an internal label or sticker on the PCB or inner shell. You should avoid contact with antenna elements and connectors. Those are fragile and can change RF performance. If the QR label is lightly glued, apply a small isopropyl pad to soften adhesive and lift from an edge with the spudger. If it's heat-sealed, warm the area gently with a hairdryer on low to loosen glue. Do this briefly to protect components. You finish by removing the QR label entirely or covering it with a non-conductive opaque label to avoid interference and preserve aesthetics. Reassemble the shell, ensuring all clips and screws return to original positions and nothing is pinched. Plug in and power on, then test Wi-Fi connectivity and run a quick speed or signal check to confirm normal operation. If the globe fails to boot, make sure internal connectors are seated and no cables were left unplugged. Receipt and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.